The main hope of a nation lies in the proper education of its youth. ApnaTcher is a non-profit educational organization that offers wide range of free online educational resources and video lectures for students. ApnaTcher, our startup's main vision, is to help poor and middle-class students get good quality education and proper guidance free of charge. Courses designed to help students prepare for standardized exams like PUC, NET, KCET, JEE, KVPY, and many more exams. Follow the steps to use ApnaTcher application. Step 1. Registration. To register, enter your name and phone number. Step 2. Content configuration. To view PUC-related content, select course as PUC, stream as science, syllabus as state, and select your preferred language to view classes. Step 3. View content. Right side you can see list of classes, tutors, subjects, and number of chapters in particular class. Left side based on category like PUC, NET/CSET/JEE, laboratory, you can see subject lists with number of tutors, chapters, and topic lists. If you click on particular subject, in below section, you can select your preferred tutors and list of chapters.
Click on your preferred chapter and view classes topic-wise.